Hello students, now take out your cursive workbook, okay, and in cursive workbook you have to open page number 8 and page number 9, okay, and please mention today's date over here, that is 23/10/20 classwork. In the same way you have to mention date on page number 9 also, 23/10/20 homework, okay. And firstly I am giving you some information regarding submission of cursive workbook. This work you have to submit on Monday, okay. It's not necessary that you have to submit by today. You can submit by Monday only onwards, okay. So let's start. Again we will start the patterns. Trace and draw the patterns, okay. As you can see, the patterns is like this, and the patterns are between the blue lines only, okay. These patterns are in blue line. Fine. So let's start tracing, and we have to start from the green dot and stop to the red dot. So let's start with green dot. Keep a pencil on red dot. Then from here to this blue line we will go up, then go back on the same line, touch to the blue line, then again go up to the blue line, then again go back on the same line and touch to this blue line. We have to do this tracing between these two blue lines, okay, and we will do slowly. Fine. You can say these are cursive C, okay. Which pattern is this? Cursive C, okay. You have to do continuously, okay. Don't break this chain. You have to move your hand in this way. Keep a pencil on this dot. Go up to the blue line, come back to the blue line, again go up to the blue line, come back to the blue line, go up to the blue line, come back to the blue line, again go up to the blue line. Go up to the blue line, come back to the blue line, stop. And we have to do only 4 times. 1 2 3 4, not more than that, okay. Let's start here also. Go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line, go up to the blue line, come down to the blue line, again go up, touch to the blue line, come back, touch to the blue line, go up, touch to the blue line, come back, touch to the blue line, stop, and count 1 2 3 4 times we had done. So our tracing is done. Now let's start without dots, okay. Only 2 dots are there without tracing. So keep a pencil here and go up to the blue line, come back to the blue line, again go up to the blue line, come back to the blue line, again go up, come back. And as you can see, I am doing in between blue lines only, okay. In this way you have to do. Fine. Do it slowly and neat and clean like this, okay. These pattern will help you to join the letters in cursive writing, and in cursive writing every letter should join with each other. Here also make sure your writing, your formation should be correct. See, in this way you have to complete your work as I am showing, okay. Now come to the second pattern, this one. How to do this one? This blue line here and green dot is also here and red dot is here. So we will start like this. One sleeping line and one small circle to the blue line, close, again a sleeping line, again a circle to the blue line only in between the blue line, sleeping line, again a circle, sleeping line, again a circle, sleeping line. See, my tracing is incorrect here, so I am going to rub this. Now again do it here, sleeping line, one circle in blue line, again sleeping line, one circle, sleeping line, again one circle, sleeping line. This is also you have to do 4 times only. Okay, you have to do 4 times. Okay, let's count. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Now it's done. Tracing done. Now I start without tracing. One small sleeping line, one circle, sleeping line, 2 circle, sleeping line, 3 circle, sleeping line, 4 circle, sleeping line, out. Now let's do it. 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, out. Make sure your sleeping line should be on blue line only, okay? Not go out to the blue line. Like this you have to complete your patterns from green dot to red dot. Okay, now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and done. In this way you have to complete your work. Okay students, as I am showing to you. Oh, it's gone out from the blue line. Okay, for cursive writing just start practicing slowly. Now it's done. See, now students, in the same way you have to complete page number 9 also. Okay, this is your homework and this one is for classwork. That's all for today. Thank you.